Hi, my name is Adya and welcome to our daily show. And today's question is, my hair are oily or just wet? And the point of discussion is rat. R-A-T, rat. Rat माने चूहा. अरे दिल है तेरे पंजे में तो क्या हुआ? So it all started few nights ago. I've seen this rat running across my room. I was going to sleep, and let me tell you, it was a big mouse, a huge mouse, at least this big. As I'm the most responsible person you'll ever see, what I've done, I call this universe to help me out in this situation, and I was like, on this precious full moon night, I command the power of universe to get this mouse out of my house. So actually I've done nothing, and I thought if I'll not give any attention to this rat, so it will just go away by itself, and I completely forgot about this. And after a few days, I've again seen this rat in my kitchen. So today I thought, no, I should do something about it. So I've tried getting this mouse out of my kitchen. I've tried different methods, but it was very persistent. It was not ready to go away. So I thought, it's not going away. And I left this on my dog to get this mouse out. And from that day till yesterday, I haven't even seen a trace of this mouse anywhere in my house. Mouse and house, such a beautiful rhyming words. But yesterday again I've seen this mouse behind my fridge, and it was running towards the stack of shoe boxes. And actually, as I am now in quarantine for about 1.5 years, so what I've done is that I have taken all of my shoes, put them back into the boxes, and stacked all these boxes one on top of each other. And there are like 4 or 5 boxes in total. So when I've seen this rat running towards these boxes, I thought, no, now it's just too much. This rat has crossed all of its limits. I have to do something by myself. So basically I took this broom, because I was also a little scared because this was a huge rat. And I took this broom and I started gently pushing these boxes from the top. So basically all these boxes were falling onto the ground, and as the top box fell, it got opened and there were shoes in that box. They were completely fine. And then the second box fell, there were bellies in it, they were completely fine. The third one had slippers, they were also good. And then the fourth one had something like sandals in it, it was also fine. And the last one was the special one. It had my bellies, which were expensive, real venison. I mean, not expensive for everyone else, for rich people, but for a poor person like me, they were expensive. So as all these boxes got open, I was like, theek hai, fine. So I was thinking that my bellies will also be fine. But when I've opened the last box, I was left completely, utterly shocked. You want to have a look at the crime scene? I feel like I've been defeated. I've been defeated by this rat. There's no point of us being on top of the food chain. I mean, like, I am as a human being sitting on top of the food chain, and a little rat which is like on some lower tires has completely defeated me. These rats and lizards and weird insects, they don't want to go into the houses and villas and cotis of all these rich people. They want to come and live with us poor people and then eat our belongings. I mean, why you do this, life? Why are you so unfair with us? I mean, this incident made me question my whole existence. And you know the saddest part, my brother has gifted these bellies to me, and at most I must have worn them 4-5 times. And now I was like, my birthday is coming after 2 weeks, I'll wear them on my birthday. But just right before my birthday, what happened?